Okay, yes, I can see it.
Okay, what do you see? I want to know what you can see on my screen. Just tell me whatever you can see.
I can see UI/UX design essentials, Jeffrey Baba. I can see a picture of a man climbing the stairs into a door.
Thank you. I needed that details. Okay, it's good. I need every detail of when I ask questions. Good. So we are looking at UI, UX, design essentials. Okay. So it includes
Okay.
colors. When we talk about user interface, we want to look at colors, typography. Let's say how you stylize writings. Okay, the font types. We look at buttons and the overall design element. Okay, so these are the things that makes the word the user interface. It's basically the design. But when we talk about UX, it's the user experience. It focuses on how the product feels. Okay, so for example, sometimes you go to an app and the app doesn't look so nice, you don't want to go there again. Okay, there are some apps when you go when you open it for once, you don't even want to go and open that app again. You feel like even removing from your phone or not visiting that site. So this is the two things. So user X, user I, user experience, user interface. Okay. So think of UX as the structure of a house and the UI as the interior design that makes beautiful design. So look at this interface right now here. Okay. So this is just a phone. This is for if you are trying to design, let's say, for the mobile phone applications. So you can see that you are seeing colors. What else can you see? What else can you see? Tell me. Listen, what else can you see on my screen?
This I can see a spot like I think it's Spotify. It is like videos of people's album.
Okay, great. I'm coming. Someone's trying to join. Hold on. Let me try and get it. Someone's trying to join. He's struggling, so let me help the person connected. Okay. Okay, so you can see an album. Okay, so this is a mobile app for a music player. Okay, where it tells you all the layout or the interfaces that makes up that particular app. So you can see the first one. We say listen to your favorite musician. That's the first thing you see. Then there's a part where it can show you what is being played. That's also have been designed. There's another portion where you can see top trendings, top artists. Okay, you can see some icons like a home icon, a search icon, a heart icon. Okay, a heart icon. Then the profile picture icon. Okay, you can also see the artists, top songs. Okay, these are what the design. Okay, these are the design. So user is combining the user interface and user experience. If you have this app, you always like to have it. You like always listen to songs. It's very beautiful. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is. Now let's look at this aspect of it. So look at this one too. This is what on most maybe let's say an iOS phone or Android phone. These are three phones. In other words, you have the first design, okay, and there's also another design that goes deeper and shows you even the air quality, shows you the UV index, the
Yes, the
sunrise,
weather.
the weather good. It gives us a compass. So you see, so you can build something like this, and you can make such that it looks like it's real, but it's not real. Okay, so that's when we look at prototypes. Okay, something that will mimic the real thing. So this is how apps on phones or desktops or tablets and other smart devices are created just on the laptop, like using the Figma to design the whole thing, both the user design and the experience. When it has been approved and it's nice and tested and it's working well, before they come and now create the actual thing. Do you get it? So if we take it serious, you start doing great stuffs. Now this is also another one. This is for a desktop. The other ones are for mobile phone, but this is a desktop. Okay, and what do you see? Tell me what you see on my screen. Then what can you see on my screen?
I can. It's like current oil level 77%, battery state 84%, machine info, working hours, history model temperature, and I can see search battery widgets, oil level widgets, machine info, working at hours, and loan
Okay. Yeah, so basically you are seeing some icons, you are seeing colors, you are seeing some shapes, you are seeing battery. So this you can use the Figma to create something like this. You get it? So that so much you can get out of the Figma tool. Figma is the tool for having your user design or user interface well created. Okay. Now, what is UX and user interface? What is it? So we want to see what it is. Okay, so like I said before, the UX, which is user experience, focuses on how the product feels. And let's take a real example. Okay, there are some apps that you can use to order food. If you're in Ghana, like we have both app. You have the Dream app that you can use to order food. Okay, so how does it feel? Is the app so comfortable that you always want to go and you feel comfortable and you don't struggle trying to go and click where to go and select the food, where to put your name? Okay, this contribute to the experience. So if you use an app and it's not making you to feel comfortable, always you are finding it difficult to use it, it's not so good, because a lot of users will not be using it. They'll prefer other ones because it'll be very difficult. Just imagine you are so hungry, you've not eaten like 2 days, then now you said you want to eat, you've taken your phone, you've downloaded an app, okay, and you want to order food. Then this app now will tell you, okay, who are you, what is your name, how old are you, a lot of, and the design is bad. Okay, you will not use that app again. So this is what you call the user experience. Now the user interface, you are saying that we focus on how it looks like. So how does it look like? Is it okay? Is it distractive? So when we take Instagram like this, when we look at the home screen is like the first thing you see after launching the app. So that's what we'll be looking at. Okay, that's what we're looking at. So let's look at a simple design here. What can you tell me anything about this design? What do you see? Just tell me whatever you can see. Lillian, can you hear me?
Yes, please.
So what do you see? What can you say about what I'm showing? I have a picture, two pictures. Use that
UI
picture to tell
or
me yours.
UX? I can see the at the anatomy of a house exterior by Opal Enterprise Inc. And the roof gable rig, vertical baseboard, box
Then one.
and corner post. And then
Okay, so okay, great. So we can see that there are two pictures here, and this picture is the same as the one on top. Do you agree?
yeah,
One is more beautiful. So which one can you say is UI or which one is UX? Tell me.
the UX is the structure and the UI is the interior design.
Come again. Which one? So just say the one. Okay, so the first one on top, is it UI or UX? The first picture on top.
And it,
The first picture on top, is it UI or UX? The first picture, the one with the grass, the
the
trees.
one on top is the UI and the one on the bottom is UX.
Good. So in if you don't even remember anything today, I want you to know that UX can be seen as the structure of a house, and the UI has the interior design that makes it beautiful and functional. Because you can see the one at the down there, it doesn't look nice, right? It's just like pencil artwork. In other words, if someone wants to build a house, they just put in the metals, the iron rolls, the roofs, okay. But when you want the house to look so nice, you have to now add paint, look inside, you can put grass around there, okay. So that is the difference. So UI, which is interior design, makes it more beautiful and functional. Why is UI or UX design important? So the reason why this model or UI in general is very, 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 very important is because good design increase user engagement. When we say user engagement, if let's say you create a design, okay, for maybe a company to use it for their maybe apps, and many people are going there, it means that a lot of engaging a lot of people. Okay, you can even get more followers, get more likes because of what the design. When we look at, for example, a poorly designed app or a website, when you go to that website and you see that the website, no pictures, nothing, everything is just straightforward. You can only read. It will be so boring, and a lot of people will not come to that site or use your app or the website. Okay, so now these are the tools you can use to achieve user interface or user experience. Okay, but we are looking at in the Figma, the one in the blue, Figma. Okay, then that's what we have used. We've already now signed up and we want to start practicing them. Okay, and I'm going to take you step by step. Okay, so by the time you finish with this course, I was expecting wonderful designs from you. Okay, all right. So let's. Is my screen still sharing? You're going to see my screen again.
I can see wait, right now it's gone to your like
Oh, okay,
I think
okay, all right.
you stop.
Okay, don't worry. Let me try and open the screen again. I'm going to share my screen. Don't worry.
Okay.
Can you all see it? And you should have the same thing on your screen. Some of the things you don't have them because of the I have some projects on them already. Okay.
Okay.
And the good thing about Figma is that we can create one project together, and I'll tell you, okay, good luck. You are creating the home screen, Lily, and you create the other screen. I also create that screen. We can do them at the same time, and then I'll be seeing what the changes you will do, and you'll also be seeing what I'm doing. Okay, that's how interesting this platform is. So we'll have a project that we'll do together as after we've learned a lot, maybe after the first month. Okay. So let me take you through every part of it so that we can. So you can see I have over here on one side here, we have create. Okay, you can create a design, a file, a fake Jamboard, a slide deck. Okay, and over here you can see if I click on here, you can tell me, let's say, a history. The last time I modified something 2 days ago, 5 days ago. It gives you a history of that. All your files here, you can choose all files to be seen, or you want to choose only all design files. Okay, so all design files, I'm seeing only these files here. So I'm taking my time to go through. When I finish, you also go through and tell me all what I said using your screen. So this is my create. If I want to create a design file, I use this section here. Okay, and this is where my profile is. Okay, I can change the settings to become dark like this. Okay, so if you don't want the light mode theme, you can choose dark or system theme. System theme that will pick up what your machine theme is. Okay, you can also choose, you can download the desktop version if you don't want always to be using the internet when you're doing it. You can choose desktop and download it. Okay, then you can add also an account. For example, I can add an account. There will be people who will be helping me to create a design. So you can see I have team projects. Okay, it's a project I'm working on with some people. Okay, about let's say 5 people. I'll show you that at maybe when we are way through the course. Okay, so you can search for anything here. You can maybe what you are looking for. These are basics here. Okay, so we'll start with the basic things here. We start with shape. So there is something I want to tell you. There's a word we call wireframes. 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 Have you heard of it before? Who has heard of it before? Okay. So wireframes are more of a structure. Okay. To create the structure of what you are doing first. So I want everybody to you share your screen after the other and just tell me every aspect of your Figma dashboard. So this is our dashboard or our editor where we'll be editing and creating our designs and wireframes. Okay, so I'll start with Lillian. So Lillian, you share your screen. You just quickly tell us the interface. I want to be able to be sure that you know when I say go and create a design file, you know where to go and click on it over here. If I say import something, you should be able. If I say click on a slide deck, you should. So I'm going back to the files. Okay. If I say change the themes of your editor, you should go do that. So share your screen, Lillian, and let's go through it quickly. Lillian, are you there? Okay, I can see your screen. So okay, so click. Okay, you have all this. There, you can see X over there. Click on the X. Okay, look at close that portion. Yes, close this one too. Good. So this is what now take us through. So if I want to create a new file, where do I go to? I want to create a new design. All right, thank you. If I want to import anything, where do I go to? If I want to import maybe a picture or a frame, where do I go to? If I want to import anything, where do I go to?
Possible to do it on the second year.
If I want to import something, where do I go to? Where do I have to go to?
Like when you want to set your computer, you go to. Can you do it from scratch? If you want to import something, then you click over here.
Okay, great. Now I want you to change the Figma dashboard to dark. Click on the. I want you to change the theme to dark mode. You saw mine has changed to dark mode. That means it becomes dark. So I want you to change yours. Let me see.
The way that I okay, like YouTube.
Remember the profile picture there. I'm giving a clue where the picture profile is on your left side, where you're written Lillian. Then when the drop down arrow, I'm giving a clue. What are you writing your name? Lillian. Lillian on the left side. Up. No, up. The profile picture. Wait, look at. Go up again. Go up again. No. Click on the arrow pointing downwards beside Lillian. Not that one. Not that one. Yes. And change the theme to dark mode. Great. Now click on the Lillian O2's theme and change it back. Let's see to where it was before. Okay, well done. You can start sharing your screen now. Good luck. Share your screen. After good luck, I think you share your screen, and I'll tell you that you just be pointing them for me, since your microphone is faulty. Okay, so now close those two. The register. Close that pop-up where you have the register. Good. Okay. Now, if I want to create a new design file, where do I have to go? A new design file. Where do I have to go? To create a new design file. It's there. It's a button. I'm even seeing it. I can see it light and colored. Good. Great. Yeah. So that's design file. So when I ask you to create a design file, you have to go there and create a design file for me. Okay. Okay. Now
we also do what Good Luck is doing.
Yes. No, I'm just telling him what he should do. Just like I told you what to do. But when he's done, I'll take you through what we'll be doing for today. Okay, before tomorrow. At least we'll try our hands on something so that we can appreciate the course. All right, so that's design file. Now go to change your theme to a dark mode. Change the theme to dark mode. Okay, so now we can now continue. Thank you very much, everybody, for cooperating nicely with me. Okay, so let's move on and go on action. Hey, why does my thing disappear? So I'm on my phone here. Okay, so we want to create our first design file. Okay, so I'm clicking on new design file. So we click on new design file and tell me what you can see. Okay, when you see this pop-up box, just click on not now. Okay, Lillian, have you opened yours? Good luck. Bring us good luck.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you got it now? Have you opened a new file?
Yes, please.
So you can see all these tools here, this component here. Can you see it also on yours?
Yes, please.
Okay, Lillian, can you see all this one?
Yes.
Okay. And
Uncle, please, can I share my screen?
Okay, please share your screen. Yes, I need everybody to share screen so I can see what you're doing. So share screen. That will help me to know what.
I don't think I did my phone well.
Okay, let me see. Let me have a look at it. Okay. Cancel it.
What?
Go back to go and click on there.
Okay, silent.
Yes, choose a new file, design file. Look at the method there, new design file.
Yes.
Click on the new design file. New design file. Can you see it there? Good.
Yes,
well done. Stop sharing your screen. Don't click on anything yet. Good luck. Share your screen. Let me see whether you also have everything intact. Okay, thank you. Good luck. Annex, share screen. Let me have a look at where you are now. Okay, you don't create yours. No. So click on new design file. Look at where the fitting new design file app. Yes, click on it. Close that small box at the top. Close it. That small X there. Yes. Hold on, something is missing. I'm looking for something. Come down and click on hide. Let me see something. I'm looking for something. I can't see it. Come down. No, that down. Close that one too. I can't see your tools. Put your hands on control and the other finger on plus twice. Put one finger on control and the other finger on your keyboard. Put one finger on control, that is CTRL, and another finger on plus. Okay, it's fine. Now I'm coming. Let me see. I can't have access to this. Okay. Now do minus, do CTRL minus. It's okay. I'm looking for something. I can't see that tools that we had. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Tell me whether you can see the same thing there. I'm looking for something. I can't see it on your screen. Watch here. Do you have this thing here? Do you have these tools here? You can text me on WhatsApp or the chat. This icons here, do you have it? Okay, you have it. Okay, all right. So now, our first thing, I won't tell you everything over on this side. Okay, everything here. So we have three. This editor is divided into three. Okay, we have this side. Okay, where you have untitled, meaning that it has not been named. Every project should have a name. Okay, so click on it, double click on it and use the backspace to take everything there and type first my first design, like this. So you can just leave a space in between like this. My first design. Just write this for me. My first design, everybody. Have you done that, Lillian? Good luck, Anik.
Yes, please, I'm done.
Okay. So when you finish, just press enter like this, and I'm done. Just press enter on your keyboard, and you can see that now you have a name for your design. Okay, so the first design I've created has a name called my first design. So this can be a project we are working on. Now, okay, let me see what the face. Share. You have the share screen. Thank you. Good luck. Stop sharing your screen. Okay, Anik shares. Anik, you can continue. Share. Go ahead and share. You can please share your screen. Sharing. Okay, Anik is sharing. Okay, Anik, let me see yours. Okay, great. I've seen it. Thank you. All right, Lillian, can you share your screen now? Okay, thank you, Lillian. All right, let's continue. Okay, so that is how to rename an untitled project. Okay, when you click on assets, you will see some libraries we use. So don't click on assets. Everybody should click on file. Don't click on this. You should see file. So make sure you're clicking on file. Okay, so pages can be likened to just the way your book is. You have pages. Okay, so let's say you are having a big project where you have people working on, let's say, the pages for only the home screen, another page for, let's say, the desktop, another page for maybe smaller smart devices. You can create them. Okay, is that okay? Are you hearing me, please?
Uncle,
Yes, please.
can I go and open my parents?
Okay, I'm waiting.
Uncle, I'm going to open my parents.
Okay, I'm waiting, please. Okay, so now I want everybody to, since you have saved this one, I want you to click on this icon and go to back to files, and you should see that now it's on the home page here, first design. So you share your screen for me to see. You can now see I have it on first design. So good luck. Share your screen. Let's see. Okay, click on files. On your left hand side, click on the files, FILE. Yeah, click on it. That one. Good. This is how I want it to be. Now click on the icon, the home icon at the top there. Go up where your mouse is, cursor is, move upwards and click on it. Yes, click on it and go to back to files. Good. So now click on my first design again. Look at it over there, down there. Click on it. Yes, for it to open. Double click on it or click on. Good. So it will be loading. So that's how you come back to it. Thank you for sharing. You can stop sharing your screen now. Now let's go to Anik. Share your screen as well. Okay, good. I can stop sharing your screen now. Okay. Anik, share your screen. Okay. Now go back to the back to files. Go back to files. Okay, now click on our project we are working on right now. Double click on it. Okay, thank you. Lillian, are you back? Is Lillian back? Oh, I can start sharing your screen now. Okay, let me share my screen. So I'm opening my own back again. Okay. So now you see, this is a toolbar. Okay. So now this is our toolbars where we can have two things over here. For example, when you click on this arrow, you can see the move tool. So if you're working, you can choose to click on V to activate the move tool, or H to activate hand tool, or K. Or you can just still come here and just click on hand tool to change it. So when you see this hand, it means that on the hand tool. Really, are you back?
Yes, please.
Okay, great. So we are talking about the toolbar. This is the toolbar. These are the tools you'll be using for creating your designs. And I'm saying that when you click on this arrow here, you'll see a move tool. You can click on them and select the hand tool, and this one is for scaling. Now, if you don't want to use the mouse, look at what I'm not touching. I'm not going to touch the mouse again. I'm going to use shortcut by pressing V. Watch my cursor over here will change. H has gone to what? Hand tool. So H for hand. That's the easier way to keep them in your mind. H for hand. So hand tool. Okay. Then K for the scale tool. Okay. Okay. If I want to go back to move tool, I use V. Okay. V for move. H for hand. K for scaling. Okay. But you do the same thing for me. I want you to get familiar. Yeah, H for hand, K for scaling, V for move. Inside it. Move V, hand to H, scale K. Good. And this one is my friend. I call it the wireframe. It's called the wireframe. So when we say wireframe in UI, okay, is the skeletal, be the blueprint of how your product will look organized. Okay, so we'll talk about them into details as we move on. Okay, so that is the frame, and the frame you can click on there. You have the section, the slice. Okay, so frame section. If you want to slice an object, it's over here. Now we have shapes, the basic shapes. Remember, everything you see in this world when it comes to design are made of these basic shapes. Okay, So whatever you are seeing, you know that it's either made up of lines, a rectangle, an arrow, an ellipse. So ellipse can be used to create circles, okay, and ovals. Polygons. Polygons can be used to create, for example, a triangle, acute angle, a trapezium, that kind of angle, okay. And we have a star. You want to create a star, and we have images. You can import an image or a video, okay. Now we have the pen tool and the pencil, okay. We have. I hope you are paying attention. You can hear me, right?
Yes.
Great. Good luck. You can hear me, right?
Sir, please, I can hear you.
You can hear me, okay? Okay, so am I sharing screen? Am I still sharing my
Yes.
screen? Okay, so the component in the toolbar, okay, we have the move tool. What do we use move tool for? Basically, just by the word, for moving objects around the canvas. Remember, this big interface, the middle part of this place is your canvas. It's a what?
Uncle, please, Daddy.
This place is called what? I just said it. This middle place is called what? Good luck. What did I say? This place is called. Come again. Good luck. What did I say the name of this place is? Where my cursor is moving. Okay. So it's called the canvas. Okay. Canvas.
Okay.
Lillian.
Okay.
I pay attention.
Sir,
So
please,
this
can I
the
just
middle
watch
part
you?
of. Okay. Sure. So the middle part of the editor or the dashboard is the canvas. And in the canvas, I can hear someone talking. I can hear someone talking. Okay. So in my canvas, these are the components in the toolbar. The move tool, which is the first one, I can use the H to activate it. This hand tool is used for moving objects around the canvas. I click and drag. We don't have any object here, that's why you can't see it. You can also use to select and drag layers or elements. Okay, when it goes outside the canvas, it becomes a normal arrow or a cursor. But when it enters the canvas area, it's a hand tool. We also have the frame tool. This is the frame tool. It creates frame. When we say frames, like artboard for designs. For example, we asked you to in school get a paper to draw. I'm not sure you go and pick a book with lines. You pick a plain white sheet or a cardboard to draw. So in Figma, when we say frames, we are looking at creating artboard for designs. It helps you to set up different screens for example, mobile, tablet, and desktop. Basically, these three things. Okay. Now this is a shape tool. We call this one a shape tool. Okay. So ROLP. What did I say? ROLP. Who can give me a clue of what LP? Who can give me a clue of what it stands for? ROLP. If it's for this part, shape. what will R and what will O and what will L and what will P stand for? Any idea? You can mention of the ones you...
I will be rectangle.
You are brilliant. L for what?
O, wait, I'm confused. Is it ROP or RLP?
O for orange, L for Lillian. So you've got rectangle correct. You can try any of them again. Or who try? Good luck. Will you try any of them? I've showed this right now.
Oval and pentagon.
Okay, you've gotten the P. So P is polygon. So R for rectangle, basically. Okay. O for ellipse, for creating circles and rounded designs. But the rectangle for creating buttons. If you want to create a button on anything, a button like on a phone button, a person to press, cards, sections, you can use the rectangle tool to create them. The L for dividers, that is line. L is line. Look at it right here. You can see L here. Line for creating dividers or underlines. Okay. Then the P here is for polygons, for customizing icons. Okay. Now we go to the next one. This is called a pen tool. Pen tool. The pen tool. So the pen tool is used for drawing. This one, sorry. We have pencil and pen. It's used to draw custom lines and curves. You do some of the things you have to create them by yourself. There's some curves that you can see it wasn't created by just a shape. They used the pen tool to create it. We used to create unique shapes and icons. Then we come to the text tool. Who will tell me what the text tool is used for? Any idea?
It is used to create a word.
Okay, that's a text. Good.
Or a
so
heading.
The text tool, thank you. So we add text to the design by the help of the text tool or the T tool. It allows for font. You can change the font name, font size, and you can stylize them using this T. Then we come to the zoom. I'm coming. Sorry. Oh, where is my zoom? Yeah, look at here. This is my zoom. If you want to zoom to, let's say, zoom out, zoom in, zoom to fit. Zoom to fit means that you want to see everything aspect of what you have designed. You can zoom to 50% or customize it by clicking on it and changing the number and press enter. Okay. So zoom tool is used to zoom in and zoom out of designs. Then we have the prototype tool. This is the prototype tool. This one. Okay. It links different screens or buttons. It makes the design interactive like a real app. Okay. Just the way I'm using the phone. When you use the prototype, it will let it be able to, when you click on it, it will go to the next screen. Okay. And this one will use it maybe latter part of the course. Then we have layers. Look at here, layers. Layers shows all the elements, that is the shapes, the text, the frames that you have designed on the canvas. Because we don't have anything on the canvas, it's blank, and over here is blank. Okay. So can we start something now?
Yes.
Okay, so we want to create a square. Okay, so first, what will be the first thing to pick? Will come to your mind to pick first. What tool will you pick first if you want to create a square? Any idea? Any idea? If I want to create a square, what should be the first thing to pick?
You go to you come to rectangle. You come to the shape tools.
Okay, but before I do that, maybe you don't want, if you don't want to use the dark mode, I'm changing mine back to light. Okay, so you can see my work clearly. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So this is my interface here. Okay. So now, if I want to create a square, I need to go to this one. This is the shape tool where we have what? We have rectangles, squares. So I click on this right now. I'll choose on. You can see they've marked the rectangle. It means that I can use this one. Okay. The fact that it's a rectangle does not mean I can't use it to create a square. Okay.
Okay.
Is that okay? So everybody click on. Make sure I click on rectangle, and you should see this one showing like this, a rectangle too.
Okay.
Now there is a trick here. Anytime you want a perfect shape, your hands must be on shift and the other hands to draw. That is, you drag. So my hands on shift now. I'm not removing my hands on shift. Now my hands on the cursor area. I'll click, but I'll not move my hands on the mouse. So I want to create a square. I'll do this. So can you see? I've created a square.
Yes.
A perfect square. All sides are equal. But because I've not clicked on the rectangle, and you are seeing the move to, it will not work. So anytime you see this highlighted, a blue is highlighted around the component, it means that that's what is active. So I want to click on it like this, and now put my mouse on shift again and do this. So you can see what I'm doing here, 174 by 174, mean that all sides are the same. So I'm done with mine. So I'm going to let someone share screen and help us to see how to create a shape. So I'm starting with good luck. So good luck, share screen.
I'm done.
No, it's too big. Oh, it's too big. We just see small so I can see it well. Thank you. No, it's okay. Okay, so 139, 139. So he has also given us a square, a perfect square. You can stop sharing your screen. Now, Lillian, it's your turn. So, we'll also share your screen. Lillian, please share screen.
Okay. What? Uncle, please have that internet.
Okay, you. The files on your left hand side.
It's 174 times 174.
Lillian, click on file on your far left. Lillian, please click on the file on your far left. You click on assets. Let it be on files.
Uncle, please is on file.
No, it's not on. It's on assets. Click on it. When you click on it, I'll see that I'm clicking on it. On your left, go to the. You can't see it. Under the my design, you are seeing drafts.
Yes, I've clicked the pages, layers, rectangle 1.
Go back again. Let me see. Go back. I'm still seeing your teams. Go back to the Figma. Let me see your Figma again. I'm not seeing your screen.
My
I'm not seeing your screen. I'm seeing
okay.
team screen. Share screen again. Let's see.
Uncle,
No, it's
please
still not.
can
It's
you
still not
see?
showing. I still see assets. When you move the assets, all the pictures on the Thank you very much. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So now because I've picked rectangle 2, you can see the layers has what? Rectangle 1. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Now stop sharing your screen and next please share your screen. And next please share your screen. Alec, are you there? Oh, Alec is there. Okay, let's continue. Now, perfect. How do we move this? Can help us. How do we move this to this square to one side or to this side or this side?
Uncle, please, I can't. Okay, I know.
Let's try.
First,
Hey, let me see. So what should I pick?
you you click on the in the middle of the rectangle, like the paint.
Okay.
Uncle, please, can I
And
share
drag.
my screen and show you?
Yeah,
Because
share
I
please
don't.
share screen.
Okay, like this. Uncle, please, can you see my screen?
I see your
Uncle.
screen.
Okay. So
I can
you
see it. Can you hear me?
yes. So you right click on the middle of the rectangle when nothing is there. Then when you right click it, then you hold it, the touchpad or mouse, and then you can move it around.
Thank you very much. Well done. So we always have to have our move to active. Okay. Let me share my screen now. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay, so that's I can just do this and move. If I change it to there's a hand tool, I can also move it. Okay, all right. So move to good. Now I want to put it over here for now. Now let's pick another shape. Let's pick a line, and this you can see these are the diagonals. Okay, so the corners we want to cross from one side to another side. I'll click one over here and I'll drag. Watch what I'm doing. Then I'll now release. You can see a thin white line here. So try it for me to see. Share your screen and try it.
Uncle, please, can you see my screen? Uncle. Hello.
Sorry, I can hear you.
Okay, please, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Good. Well done. All right. And good luck. Share your screen. Let me see. Okay. Good luck. I can't see your screen. Oh, I can't see your screen. Okay. The line. The line set. So pick up the lines to line shape and
Sir, please, I can't hear you.
okay. I'm going to do that on my screen. I'm asking you to pick the line. Go to the rectangle area, choose line, and cross from one corner to the other. So pick a line too. And I'm going to start from one side. No, not that side. But it's fine. You cross it, it's fine. Continue. Let it end. Okay. Alright. Well done. You can start sharing. Annex share screen. This is annex share screen. Anik, are you there? Okay. So now cross it. Pick a line, the line to and cross it. No, I didn't say to twist it. Just go and pick the line shape. What are your shapes? Go to I can see rectangle, so change it from rectangle. I should see line. Where do you pick your lines from? I don't know why your interface has... No, click on where you're fitting rectangle. Let me see. Click on where you're fitting rectangle. Let me see. Rectangle. No, on the right hand side. Look on the... Okay, look, you can't click. So where is your tool? Something's... I can't even see your tools. Come and click on hide down there. Hide. What if you didn't show, stop sharing and hide? Click on the hide. I can't find you. Good. Now choose the square down there, the rectangle down there, and change it to line. Good. You have done it. Okay, thank you. All right. I've seen the line. I can see line inside. That's fine. Okay, thank you. Now let me share my screen. So, okay. I want to make a perfect circle. So I'll come to the line and pick an ellipse. And before I'll click on the surface of the canvas, I have to put my hands on the shift key on the keyboard. It should remain on the keyboard until I'm done drawing. So now my finger is on the shift key, and the other hand is drawing the square. So you can see that it's writing 104, 104. No matter the size, it gives you a perfect square. So if I do smaller, I still get a perfect. So I'm just doing... Let's do 115 by 115. So you see that now it's not a shape, it's not a perfect square. Why? Because it has changed 115 to 96. Why? Because I moved my finger on shift before I moved my hands on the cursor. So if I don't want it, I can undo it. Control C and to go back. I'll pick my tool again. My hands is on shift. I click and drag. And I move my hands on the mouse first before my shift key. All right, so everybody try it first.
Hey uncle, please what was the height of the circle?
Yeah, I can't see your screen. 126, 126. Height is 126. Weight is 126. Lillian, can you hear me, please? Hello, Lillian. Good luck. Can you hear me?
Yes, please, uncle, I can hear you and I'm coming to share my screen.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Put it beside there. Drag it beside your and carry the line and put it beside the line. I'll show you another time how to keep them together. Great. Okay,
Yeah, uncle,
you
I
can
think it's, the grouping is like this. You select the whole thing, and then I think you scroll down. You go to prototype. Okay, no, it's a design somewhere, but I don't know.
let's okay, let's
Uncle, I'm done it. Group
Professor.
selection. Uncle, I've grouped it.
Okay. I like the way you're thinking. Good. Okay, well done. All right. So and good at share screen as well. Let's see. In perfect circle, you have like 6 minutes. So if I see yours, like I'm seeing Lillian, create 5 other shapes for me. I want to have a total of 6 shapes in all. So create other shapes and when you're done, you share it to me before.
Okay.
Sir,
Good luck. Please share screen. Yes.
sir, please. My internet went off for a moment, so I was not in class for like a few minutes. So I don't know
Okay,
what exactly you said.
Okay, I'll show you. Just share the screen. I'll show you what they do. You're creating a perfect circle. So we'll put our finger on the shift and the other hands to draw a perfect circle of 126 height and 126 width. So just share your screen and I'll help you. Just come to where the line is and change it to circle, ellipse. You are using the ellipse to create a circle. The ellipse. Yes. Put down on shift first before you click and drag. 126. Let it be 126. It's okay. Well done. All right, you can start sharing your screen, and I want to see create other shapes. In all, you have to have 6 shapes of your choice. Any 6 other shapes.
They're all in
so
126.
Yes, all in one space, all in one canvas. And next, please share your screen. Let me see your perfect. Okay, you have yours is wrong. Delete it. Press the delete key and put your hands on shift before you drag your tool. Put your hands on shift, don't move your hands, and use the other hands to draw. Pick the circle, the ellipse again. Now put your hands on the shift. Don't move the hands, then now draw your circle to 126. Come. 126. It's too much. It should be 126. I'm seeing 2 something. Go 126. Go. Too much. One more. Good. Well done. So put one side. All right. Well done. Now we are going to create any other shapes, and I want to have a total shapes of 6. So I'm giving everybody 5 minutes to do that for me. So you can start sharing your screen and create any other shapes for me.
Uncle, please, how many shapes should we create?
Come again.
How many shapes should we create?
In 6 in all. 6 shapes in
Okay.
all.
Mommy. Okay.
Uncle, please, I have created 6. Uncle, please, I'm done.
Hello. Huh?
Who has finished? Lily, are you down? Hello, Lily, are you down? Buddha, are you down? Buddha,
Sir, Seps, can you hear me?
yes. Are you
Sir,
down?
please. No, please.
Okay. Lillian, are you down? Lillian, are you done?
Uncle, please, I'm done.
Share your screen.
Uncle, the first time that I said I finished, he did not answer.
Oh, sorry. I went to use the washroom. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you made that one without. So, okay.
Yes, I use the lines.
Okay. Yeah. That's good. Well done. Okay. Okay, now good luck. Share your screen. I'll do mine, then we'll end, and tomorrow we'll continue. So good luck. Share your screen. In fact, I do mine for you to see. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's share my screen and do mine, then we can close for the day. Okay, so I have these two there. Now, this is my second. I'm going to do another one. So, I'm doing. So, that's my. Start. Okay, now rectangle. So let me draw. Um, and let me just do another arrow like this. Okay, so this is what we've done for today. Tomorrow we come, we'll continue. Little by little, we become masters and we'll start do beautiful ones like this one I showed you in the PowerPoint this evening. Okay, so well done and thank you for coming to class. See you guys tomorrow, God willing. All right. Bye, Lillian. Bye, and good luck. Bye, Anik.